Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing how to hide your friend list from the public and your friends. So first of all, log into your Facebook account and you need to click on the drop down arrow so that you can go to the settings option. Click on the down arrow and go down. Click on the settings. Let me reset. It's changing this browser. Okay, so click on the arrow pointing downwards and click on settings, and you can see on the left side there is privacy option. Click on the privacy option, and under the privacy you can see how people find and contact you option. In that there is option who can see your friend list. Currently it's set to public, so click on the edit option and change it to friends if you want to show it to friends, and if you want to hide from some friends, you can friends accept option is there. You can also show it to specific friends and custom option so that it will be displayed for some friends and you can hide from some friends. So what is our requirement? We are hiding it from everyone, so I'm choosing only me, so nobody will be able to see your friend list. But if someone is looking your friend list, they can see the mutual friends. Even your friends, they can see the mutual friends, but they won't be able to know how many friends you have and who are your friends other than the mutual friends. So it's fine. Let me show it to you how to test our changes. So I am viewing my profile as public, so you can see that in the friends option there is nothing. So the public cannot see anything on the friend list. I believe this video was helpful guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Take care. Goodbye.